Yes, I'm completely aware that I am in the back of a police car. I have to rewind a couple of hours back so you can really watch everything. I hope you guys watch the whole video, because some people don't watch the whole video. But if you do, and if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and watch the full video and then enjoy. Have a great day, guys, because it doesn't look I will.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's going on, guys? Yeah, we're back again. Yeah. I found out where to get this, but they're sold out. So that sucks. I found that out. As soon as I found out, I was like, oh, okay, there's a snout. And I was like, okay, good. But it was sold out. So I have to wait until it comes so I can buy another part. So when it comes in stock, I'm gonna be like, bam, got it. And these are the EGR block, well, EGRs. I want to block these off, or somehow trying to see if I can get this. What I want to do is actually have this cut off and have that somehow cut off, but it probably might be a little bit out of my price range for that to actually happen. So I'm just probably going to go with the EGR block offs. So that's probably what I'm going to go with. But moving on to the next section, I've seen a couple bolts that I can use. I've seen a couple things, a couple tricks that I've seen on the forums where people have did that, but something else that came in the way that I was thinking about. See, I don't know if I want it right there, or should it go up here through the fire ring, the harness, because I don't want that thing there. I'm pretty sure that thing is going to get hot, and not trying to go through another fire again. Don't need to look like yeah, don't need to be like a big rolling ball of fire.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh man, something ain't right. Oh man, the building is on fire.
He also commented, what the fuck? Corey, grow up.
No, permission denied. That's an off-topic. Questions next. You have been stopped.
Somebody had made a comment saying they like what I did with the intake, how it's going there, and how it goes down there. But also had said you should have your oil cooler. It would be a good idea to bring an oil cooler close to the fan, so that way your oil and everything will be cool, and you don't have to worry. I hate when it starts unfocusing.
Why is Chubby here staring at me? Focusing.
There you go. I hate when it doesn't focus. But this is the thing. You see this down here? See, you see the intake, right? Intake's right there. But it's nowhere, like the intake is nowhere even blocking the fan. You can see it how it is down there, and you can see right there. Nothing is blocking it at all. So, because the intake is up there, so nothing is blocking it down here. So nothing will block it whatsoever at all. So it's air. The air will be coming in from there, and it will be on this oil cooler. You probably have said what you probably meant was to bring it closer, but I like the way that looks, so I want to keep it there. And like I said in my previous video, if you like that, make sure you give that a big thumbs up, and you know, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up too as well. But I heard there's an option for this. It's right here. I'm gonna show you. I heard there's an option for this. I can put one here, and then I can put one over here. But I don't know how the wiring would go for that. But I was told that I can, if I wanted to, I can run both of them and have it act as one. The guy is working on a good project, and that's why this is not in the shop yet. He said, I completely understand. It's like, this car is, you wouldn't believe it if you even seen it with your own eyes. But he said he's going to bring it in very, very soon. And I really cannot wait until it's brought in. Man, I remember it was such a hard time getting that in. Man, it was such a hard time getting that in. And oh, the window motor, what the hell, man? There we go. I gotta find the bolts to that. I don't know where the bolts went to the window motor. I really don't. I wish I knew, but I don't. It sucks. It really sucks, man. I also found out where those wires go. Those wires are for the fuse box on the inside. So they're like a complete separate set. So you could still hook them up and everything else. And you know, it's some things what I don't agree with is how some people are saying, oh, that's a bad intake, blah, blah, blah. Well, I seen somebody that had a 2006 LS2 GTO like this and had that intake, professional products, and it made a 30 additional wheel horsepower. Of course, it was, I think it was on the tune, but that made an additional 30 horsepower. I seen on one of the LSX forums that it had made 30 horsepower. Some of them, I can understand why some people say that it has heat soak issues, but I don't think it has heat soak issues, because if it does, mind you, there's something that I told you that I'm gonna. It's still not effect, but it's going to be a lot more expensive than what I thought it would be, and things are slowly progressing, but you know, but the heat, if there is heat soak, it will not be for long, because there will be some shit coming for this. I'm not going to tell you what, but there will be some shit coming for this later on in the channel.
You okay, Patrick?
Finland!
Okay. These are both going to get welded together. No more of this black tape bullshit. I never liked the black tape bullshit anyway.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
And damn sure didn't like this. Comment down below. Since I have red valve covers, I think this should be red. Red, 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 and red. And also, when I get rid of this rack, I'm gonna keep this, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that, but I'm gonna get rid of this rack where I can take this off and just have that, just have these coil pack things, and have those things on there. So it'll look nice. I think it will look a lot better without these, because these are just big and black, and I don't know, I think it would, even though this is black, I think it would look a lot more nicer and more clean if that, like if it was just these two bolted on there. Rather than the whole rack. I gotta figure out how to do that, but I think that's what I want to do with that. Battery's dying. Let's go home. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, also, you guys, when we reach the 500 subscribers, I want you guys to comment on the Instagram, and after I list the names I'll pick, and whoever's name I pick, you are the $200 winner of the $500 subscription thing. So we're back, guys. So now we are at the point where what you was all waiting for. Yeah, sorry about a little speech impediment thing that's going on, but I wanted to explain to you guys that when I was there was something I seen on Craigslist. My girlfriend's gonna be pissed off at me and called me a dumbass. There was something that I seen on Craigslist that I wanted to get, and it was a transmission. The transmission is exactly what I need, so I can get rid of the 700R4. And it comes with a, it's like a kit. It's like I'm getting something that's relatively new for $900. When the whole entire thing, if you were to get it at a shop, it would be like $4,500.
Oh, damn. Ow!
I put his address down there. I sent my emails to him countless times. He hasn't got back to me at all. So I'm like, I gotta get this transmission. I gotta get this. I really need to get this transmission. And she's like, babe, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. I'm like, I really need to get this transmission. I really need to get this transmission. You can see it right now. So I went there. I went to the I went there. The guy wasn't there. And I guess the neighbors seen something like suspicious or whatever. And I got to call the cops.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. And you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And me and the cops talked, and I talked about the whole situation. I got escorted back to where I was in a police car. I thought I was such really nice with the officers, considering the fact that they are actually really cool. And there's something that you guys need to worry about that, well, don't need to worry about, because for those guys who are saying, oh, the cops do this, the cops do that, the cops like police brutality, whatever. That's complete nonsense. Why do I say that? Because of this. If you come to the cops the correct way, with the respect and the being well-mannered and coming off the correct way, not giving a hazzle-dazzle like, oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, cops are Black Lives Matter, all that stuff. None of that. Just be really sincere with the officers and just talk to them like as you were talking to me. Like I'm talking to you guys right now.
Yo! Yo, holy shit, he dead!
Let's just be yourself and don't try to do anything that you would regret in the future. It's like she's telling me that I am. What? I love the hand muscles.
I've never seen you talk with your hands.
I always talk with my hands.
Why are you talking with your hands now?
I always talk with my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do.
No.
But anyway, that's exactly what had happened, guys. She's being a bit of a, you know what? She is like Lauren. She really just said she wants to eat some cookies or some food. No. I swear. I'm not being.
I said I wanted to get a subscription box every month full of candy.
Why?
Because I like candy.
We all like candy, but why do you want to get a subscription box? Just get a bar. Just be happy. That's it. You don't need a whole box.
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because I need a whole box.
You don't need a box. You
yes,
just
I do need a box.
You don't need a box.
Yes, I do.
Why do you need a box?
Because I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
For what?
You know you eat it.
But anyway, that's exactly what had happened. As you can see, my hair is messed up. You know, it'll stop.
There.
It'll be fine later on.
It's
I'm about to hit the bed. That's why I kind of look all messed up. So I'm in the vlog here, and if you're stopping for the first time, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want to get a notification whenever my video comes up, please hit that notification bell. It'll let you know whenever my video comes up. And I hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you like it, you know, give me feedback or whatever. Please share the video. So, take care.
Have a good day. Have a great day.
There you go. Say it again.
Have a great day.
Have a great day, guys.